So guys, I will be showing you how to do the box glitch.
Come check it out. So first you need to hit the box. This big box. You do it like this. Then you jump on it. Oh. Then you like jump, bro. Then you jump like this on it. Then you just like squeeze it. And like then you just fly or something. So guys, when you see that, yeah, that's how I did it, and I'll be showing like now a clip when I get really high up. So see you then.